Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace an alternator on a Honda Odyssey. First, gather your tools, including a 13mm socket, a 15mm wrench, and a battery terminal brush. Always ensure your vehicle is parked on a flat, stable surface with the engine completely off. Safety is paramount, so begin by disconnecting the negative battery cable using a 10mm wrench to prevent any accidental electrical issues during the process. Next, locate the serpentine belt tensioner, typically found near the alternator. Use a breaker bar or a long wrench to rotate the tensioner counterclockwise, relieving tension on the belt. Carefully slide the serpentine belt off the alternator pulley. Then, disconnect the main power wire, usually secured by a 13mm nut, and unclip the smaller electrical connector from the back of the alternator. Take care not to damage any wiring. Now, remove the 2 or 3 mounting bolts that hold the alternator in place. These are often 13 or 14mm bolts. Once the bolts are out, gently wiggle and maneuver the old alternator out of the engine compartment. It might be a tight fit, so be patient. Carefully slide the new alternator into position, aligning the mounting holes. Reinsert and hand-tighten the mounting bolts before fully tightening them to specification. Finally, reattach the main power wire and the electrical connector to your new alternator, ensuring they are secure. Carefully route the serpentine belt back onto all the pulleys, making sure it sits correctly in every groove. Use your breaker bar to relieve the tensioner again, allowing the belt to fully seat. Reconnect the negative battery cable, then start your vehicle. Check your dashboard for any warning lights and confirm the charging system is operating correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.